Nicholas's cats are pushing right flank by the bridge. We're gonna create a U shape around them and pinch them in. Okay, moving. Careful on friendlies. Ian, I'm taking your post. Okay, tuck left, I'll move as you shoot. Ian, tuck left. Yeah, I'll move. Yeah, keep shooting. Hold on, I'll get a smoke. Keep me covered. Cats, yellow smoke out. Once it's go, good, you guys go. Watch right. Cats, move on yellow smoke if you can, stay low. Come on, guys, keep moving. Stay right. Nick, let's go. Yep, we gotta get the engineer man, keep low. There's a big trail on the right, low, keep pushing that trail. We're sweeping in from the right up, because this way's a lot better than left in. Mark, backpack buddy. I got one more smoke.
I'll let you work on this low.
Thanks. We're not clear leaf, we stay low. Yeah, we do have op 4 over there. Thanks, bud. Thanks. Yeah, yours are lifesavers. Yeah, that was a lot of smoke we put out.
Yeah, that was good.
Hey, Will, smile. Cats at scorched. How far did you make it? I heard start moving up. Yeah, they cleared a bunch. Move up, move, yellow. There's the guys right side, really far. Yeah. We took the box of mortars, Gil. There's an engineer here. We need the engineer here. It's a person. We need a person. Want to pop smoke? You guys want to move? You guys want to move to the next building? Let's get up to the buildings, guys. Once that smoke's full, we need some guys moving. The flag is still red, guys. We didn't get it. I don't know who's saying we got the flag. Guys, scorched, we did not get the flag. It's still red here, so you gotta get this flag flipped. Hit. Good shot. Oh. Demand, coming through. We're waiting on you, man. Let's go. Tap that flag! You gotta hold for 5. Oh, hit, good shot. Create the dome. Yellow's captured the flag. So they can't spawn there anymore, right? Okay. Make sure they know that. Guys, clear them out. They can't spawn here anymore. Flag's ours, you can spawn on it. Which building are they in? Oh yeah, I see it. Got him on the knees. He's out. Move up. They're retreating. Oh, That guy went full send, man. Oh, you think he's it? Searching for HVT. Clear the buildings, clear the buildings, clear the buildings. Find the Mont. That's a suitcase bomb. We need that. Yeah, bring it. We can bomb one of the buildings in town with that, but you gotta hand place it. That's all it's good for. Yeah, they're pretty close. Nope, no eyes. I see movement in town though. Don't forget that. Kirby got friendly moving left hard, friendly. Whoa. He's right at this first cover. Oh no. Mark! Mark! There's somebody around your cover, I think. I think there's somebody around your cover. There was a second ago anyways. There's a guy behind this cover. Whoa, whoa, right on you, holy shit. There's a guy behind that cover, Clear that building you're on. Jesus, Kurt, holy. Is he still there? I don't know. Is it clear, yellow? Building clear? Okay, good clear, good clear. I was about to grenade that shit. Yeah, they fucking landed that right on your face. Garrett, clear that building. Make sure it's clear. Make sure that building's clear. Oh, really? Yeah, there's a guy in there keep picking our people off. He was shooting him through the wall.